Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Diosnedy Pelegrin, also known as Mr. Freedom Fighter. Hey, look, this is my 7th week with MyEcon, and I can't wait to show you the results I've had in these 7 weeks with MyEcon. Guys, it's truly humbling, incredible what this has done for me and my family, and how special this is to finally get connected with a program and a system that has a fantastic product where people plug in, use the product. They see financial benefits from it as it's a financial educational platform. I've been plugging in as well, seeing my credit rise. But more importantly, the income that's just impacting and changing my life is truly remarkable. So I'm going to flip my camera around here. But before I do that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue to share more information, how it's going for me. This is real world, guys. If you've been following me a while or not a long while, you guys know, you know, whether you know or don't know, I've only been doing online marketing for about 1.5 years. It's just under 2 years. And this is truly the business that has changed everything for me. So please smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below at any time if you're interested to learn more, get connected with the team. But I'm going to flip around, show you the results, which I'm very excited for, which just posted actually to my bank account, and I'll show you that here real quick. So that's my bank account, but let's go to my MyEcon back office. And you guys are seeing this. Well, here, real quick, I'm going to show you how much the team has grown. So let me kind of tilt this way. So the team has grown an incredible, almost 2,500 people. Obviously, you know, we're now coming towards the end of July. You can see that in under 2 months, almost 2,500 people have connected to this amazing system of financial education, wealth building, and credit repair. From there, let me show you here, obviously the exciting things and the things that have me so excited about this business is what it's doing for me financially. If I go to my commissions report and click on the commission check history, there's what I received today. They sent this and it updated yesterday. And today, $4,412.75. Guys, in 7 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 weeks, realistically, in less than 7 weeks, because this was only for about 2 or 3 days. As you can see here, it's been consistently, if you average them out, it's about $2,500 a week. But believe me, guys, the way this team is growing, this is only going to go higher and higher. Here, if I drill down to this, we'll take a look real quick on what it is through those 7 weeks right there. There's the amount right there, guys. $18,160.98 in 7 weeks. If I go to my Gold Bank account, which is where I have this going to, as you can see, there's the balance right now I have on here. Here's the $44,1275. If I go in here and drill down just to the MyEcon activities that I have, you know, for those doubters or those saying, you know, that it's not real, you obviously saw I'm plugging in here, putting this information, it's refreshing, and it drilled down to just the MyEcon. And here's what I showed you. When I joined May 30th, May 29th, it posted $19.95 is all I paid to join. Then my second month, they charged me the $34.95 because I paid $34.95 a month for it. And then I bought the Cashback Mall, which is a product within the system that I wanted to buy. I also need to have it in order to qualify, but I went ahead and purchased that. And as you can see, $457.30. If I go over here to MyEcon and I go back to my credit, $457.30, my first check. So guys, this is not fake. For those of you who say, you know, this is too good to be true, 1888 was posted June 15th. If I go to my econ report, 1888 right here and so forth. So, you know, for those doubters or those people saying it's too good to be true, it's not right, you guys are seeing it right there. I mean, last week, you know, more recently, July 16th, $17.12 and 72 cents. If I go here, last week, $17.12 and 72 cents. I'm not going to waste the time, but you can stop the video, see these seven checks that cleared here, and the 7 checks that I show right here in my bank account, and they all match, guys. It's not fake. There's my total as of right now, obviously paying bills, withdrawing money out of there, putting it to other accounts. But I just wanted to show that to anyone out there who's doubting it, who's saying it's not right. And comparing the two, and you can see that I've made well over $18,000 in just a short 7 weeks, guys. So if you're interested to learn how I'm able to generate that all from home, I mean, I do this from home. I only work a few hours a day. I build with the team. I'm building training, showing other team members how to do the same thing, how to learn, how to market their business, how to leverage social media, like what you're watching right now on YouTube, like Facebook, Instagram, all the other social media platforms. Join the team. You're going to learn how to do this, how to duplicate this, and I can't wait to have you on the team. Like I said earlier, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue to show more of this, show the lifestyle, show you many things that our team are doing. We got events planned out. There's a company planning out events, and just look forward to connecting with you. If you're interested, the link is down below in the description. Click on the link. Get started today with my team. If not, just comment down below. I also have my Facebook and my email address in this YouTube video. So I'm not hiding. I'm here. I'm an open book. You can come out and reach out to me, and look forward to hearing from you and having you on the team. I'll see you.